Here's a daily chart, and you can see, I've already counted the December 1st close as our highest close of this current rally. And you just saw that today went negative compared to previous close. It just turned from a green to a red bar. So this December 1st close was our highest close to date. And at it's live, folks. Um, and I'm going to throw a quick indicator on here. You've got your arrows, but if I throw on here what those arrows are being calculated from, which is the 3 and 5 day EMA, I'm going to go ahead and put those in right here into this indicator that I just added. You can see, one thing nice about our free retracement confirming indicator is that we have this 1-bar reversal filter, and you can see I have it turned on to yes, because we look for confirmations. And you see right here how yesterday we dipped below the 3 dipped below the 5, and then one day later it popped right back up. Well, we don't like to count that as a confirm, right? We want to see a confirmation of a clear crossing like we have back here on October 18th, or this other crossing back up on October 31st. So these little tests is what we call them, or even for lack of a better name, teases. These little teases don't count for us. And the 1-bar reversal filter helps us not see those. But I wouldn't be surprised if we don't, after this little tease, get our full-on crossing, and that this top that we identified here back on December 1st is that top. And you can see I've already, in my world, already counted it as the top, even though it hasn't been confirmed. And so you can see I've drawn in our next targets. And last week I said the next target is going to be critical. And so now you can see it actually in my graph in its drawings. If we pull back to this level between about 4,300 and 4,412, if we pull back to somewhere in that magenta zone that I've drawn and then start heading up, that would tell me that we're in for a nice uptrending. That would create a mature uptrending market, one with 2 levels of tests of support, 2 levels of test of resistance. And I would say to you, hey, we're going to be uptrending for the foreseeable future, right? Midterm, even into long term. If instead we pull back to this red zone, somewhere between 4,005 to 4,300, anywhere where we pull back there and then head higher, I'm going to tell you that, hey, it's sideways choppy for the foreseeable future. We've got a mature sideways choppy kind of trend, and so it's going to be kind of undecided going into 2024. And should we fall down below $4,005 into this green zone, I'm going to tell you that, hey, we had this rally from October 26th up to December 1st, but that was a little flash in the pan, and that we're now going to be starting to get back into that downtrend, the downtrend that we started on July 7th and took a brief pause from on October 27th. We're going to resume that downtrend. So where we fall in the next weeks for the next reversal is going to be critical for my analysis moving forward.